just happened? What's all this smoke coming up here for? Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to get a new receiver. Hey, are you Jay?
Yeah, it's me, Jay.
Alright, is that the receiver?
That's the receiver.
And it works.
It works.
Okay, awesome. Can you put it in the back seat for me, please?
Yeah.
Thank you, Jay. Okay, there we go. Oh, for crying out loud, are you serious? Well, now I'm knackered. It's supposed to work, and it's not. I guess I'm gonna have to buy something new. But deep down, I didn't want to buy something new. Oh my gosh, this looks like something I've been looking for. It's here in Mesa, too. SpenCertified. I'm gonna go there. Wow. Hold on, I can meet you. Wow. Macintosh. Holy cow.
Hi, I'm Spencer. What brings you in today?
Hey Spencer, I began questing for sound equipment and I think you can help. I was looking at your reviews as well and I could see nothing but positive things about this place. Incredible. And I said to myself, I have to come. I bought some used equipment because my receiver died. There always seems to be something wrong with the stuff I get.
We know exactly how you feel. We're here to provide a reliable source for buying used audio-video gear. We've helped thousands of people all over the world get matched with the items they love. Here's what you need to do if you're ready to find your next stereo device. First, figure out which features you want on the device. Next, find the device that matches those requirements. If you ever need help deciding, you can always call or email us. Once you know what you want, you can order the item from our website. You can also call to order, or you can visit our warehouse to purchase in person. If you're shopping for something like speakers and would like to hear them, we can demo items for you. Also, we have quality guarantees to ensure your satisfaction. The first guarantee is a 6-month warranty guarantee, which covers the device if it becomes defective. We will repair or replace the device at no cost to you. We also have the SpenCertified guarantee. This means each item is tested for like new functionality and cleaned to where you could eat off of it. Everything we sell works like new unless otherwise stated. SpenCertified means that it's certified by Spencer. You can easily find all of our inventory online, or you can stop by our shop. Go online to SpenCertified and order the item you will love. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find cool product videos, how-tos, demonstrations, and much more.
I will definitely do that. Now I don't have to waste time and money buying broken equipment. I can come to Spencer. I will come here whenever I need something. That reminds me, I also have a tape deck that no one seems to be able to work on. Is that something you can do?
Yes, we can repair just about anything electrical, though we do specialize in audio and video gear.
I'm so happy I found SpenCertified. This place is amazing. And you know, I feel like a kid in a candy store. My gosh, look at all this stuff. Oh my God. I'll check out your website and I'll be back next week with that repair. Thanks for the new receiver, Spence. Now I know where to go. SpenCertified.